So today we are going to head in this minibus to the city of Krakow. Now I believe we'll have a few stops on the way, but it's a minibus that's got to take 16 of us with an awful lot of luggage, so I'm sure it'll all work. Looking forward to getting to Krakow, looking forward to what's ahead, because we believe Krakow is a beautiful city. So just getting on board now, and we'll catch up with you en route.
The actual border with Poland is the river. So when we're on the bridge and you see the water left and right, that's when we're crossing over into Poland. Here we are, welcome to Poland!
Woo! So we're now in Poland, we're at the filling station, the BP filling station. Jay's thinking of doing his laundry here, but maybe not. In we go, in we go. Oh, thank you, sir.
This means pull.
Pull, does it? Oh, oh yeah. Welcome to Poland, Andre. It's our first time ever in Poland, isn't it?
It is, first time.
We've stopped at one of these sort of
Service station.
Service
so we've nabbed some coffee, got some money, got some water. Forgotten the two words that we learned from Polish.
so I have no idea what she was saying.
Are we going to try some Polish dumplings?
Well, maybe.
Cheese and cheese sounds nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Well, we've actually stopped for lunch again at another BP service station. I'm not going to ask you where we are, Andre, because I know Plawniowice Palace. That's grand. There's always a photo bomber. Yeah, there's always one. Oh, it's quite a house, that one. I'm not going to get in your way, Andre. There's like a war memorial over here. Yeah. 1914, 1918. Oh. Little altar on the names of people. This is the entrance to the palace. There's the name. It's the name. There. It's quite extensive, isn't it? Mr. Beachy. Ooh. Now we're seeing something on there. Absolutely. Garden here, a wild garden I'd call it. We finally made it round to the front. Oh yes. We have arrived in Krakow. Oh wow, okay. At our hotel, the Globetrotter.
And it's sunny and bright. With
Yeah.
a nice green colour. Looks the place as well. So that's really good.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Woohoo! So I'm just going to show you our room, which we've just got into. It's an old apartment block, but it's got real character. We're in 1B, up one floor. Whew. There's the bed, and look at look at all the furniture. It's real.
Very oldie world it is.
Yeah.
It's a singer.
A sewing machine.
Sewing machine.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's shabby chic.
Shabby chic. Shabby chic. Oh yeah.
Look at the blankets.
Yeah. To warm us up.
Traditional blankets.
And is there a bathroom?
There is.
Okay. Hello. Oh yeah, nice shower. Great job. That's all we need.
Or in the courtyard.
In the courtyard.
So Andrea, you're on the orientation walk
Yes.
across the square to where we're getting breakfast in the morning.
Yes.
Good start. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So she said we're heading towards the main square now.
Yes. And there's a craft fair on.
Oh yes, and
From
you're
now to
excited.
Sunday, so
And you're excited.
Denise and I are just ecstatic about it.
The word craft fair just changed it all. Look at this. There's a tower for us to climb, Jay.
Oh, there you go. You're well worth it.
Hello. This is the other half of the Rheineck Square. Wow.
Let's see if we can find that trumpet.
Oh, here. It is a beautiful. Is it a city?
Yeah. Yeah. Bit of a wow.
Reminds me a little bit of
Talon?
Yeah.
Bigger?
Except with the squares bigger.
Yeah, square's a lot bigger. So that church is the oldest church in Krakow. Now we're going down the shopping street to the castle. There goes the trams. Ooh. That's another, looks like a church again.
See, the disciples.
Looks like it. Well, they call them the apostles,
The
probably.
apostles.
Yeah. Peter and Paul Church. This is the castle. Just walking across the square. Get to it. There's so many buildings. So many buildings. We're actually walking up to the castle. It's quite an impressive structure. More rebuilding going on. But it's a little bit of a walk up here. The bells they do toll.